First of all, I want to wish Voice of Venugram hearty congratulations for your progress in bringing up the TV channel. I am very much happy to know that it has flourishing like anything. Myself is Shilpa Khadagbhabi, an artist from Belgaum. Since my childhood days, I am doing my paintings with the guidance of my parents, parent artist, my guru Mr. KB Kulkarni sir, and in Davangere I learnt art in Fine Arts, BFA, Bachelor of Fine Arts. So since then I am doing the paintings. Here in Belgaum, I am taking the painting classes for the art lovers and art enthusiasts. My brand name is Creations Fine Arts in Sadashivanagar. I teach and as well as I conduct the painting exhibitions for the students of Creations Fine Arts every year, just to create the art atmosphere in Belgaum. So I keep doing it every year, and people come there to learn, and they enjoy doing their paintings. And here every year, every 2 to 3 months, we keep conducting the painting exhibitions from Gulmohar Bagh. We are around more than 60 members here in Gulmohar Bagh. We can see many paintings here, many types of paintings. One is doing abstract, one is doing landscapes, one is doing nature painting, and one is doing this fiber resin work, and then some are doing abstract paintings, and some are still life doing, and then some I do portraits, and folk art is also there. You can see many number of paintings. I request all the Belgaum artists, Belgaum citizens to come and see the painting exhibition and support us all, because we have taken lots of efforts in organizing this show. And not only this, every now and then we keep doing this exhibition for the sake of Belgaumites. So it's a great opportunity to have a visual feast to the eyes. I request everyone to visit our exhibition. So here we have around 34 artists exhibited their paintings. This exhibition is from each artist we have 4 of the paintings, and each priced just 5,000. So anybody can purchase that painting to support all of the artists. So I request everyone to come here and join us to have the visual treat. Moreover than we have the demonstration from various artists here only in around 5 o'clock. Every day we have. Tomorrow I have my demonstration where I'm going to teach how to do abstract paintings, abstract landscape paintings I'm going to teach. So around 5 o'clock it starts. So I request everyone to please come and watch the demonstration also. And more I'll be doing some portraits like this. I make somebody sit in front of me and do the portraits. I love doing oil color portraits, but this one is watercolor. I tried doing this watercolor. I work in all the mediums, watercolors also, oil colors also, and acrylic colors also. So, and my abstract paintings are they are on the show in IFA, Hotel IFA now. Right now it's going on. You can view that also. So again I thank Voice of Venugram for giving me an opportunity to speak in their TV channel. I heartily give my best wishes to Voice of Venugram. Thank you very much.